Wagwan family, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how to make Jamaican red pea soup with cow skin and chicken foot. First and foremost, big up Father God over here. Now I'm going to show you all the ingredients I'm using for my red peas, cow skin, chicken foot soup. So this is all my ingredients. Here I have the cow skin, and this is 2 pounds of cow skin. I just need to scald it off and clean it properly. Here I have the chicken foot. I just need to cut the nails off and wash them. And here I have 2 cups of all-purpose flour. I have 1/3 cup of refined cornmeal. And I have some salt. This is to make the dumplings. I also have 2 small carrots. I have 1 corn, 1 Irish potato, 1 cocoa. I have a piece of yellow yam and a chocho. Going to use some fresh thyme, scallions, garlic, Scotch bonnet pepper, 1 cup noodle. Here I have some pimentos. Here I have 2 cups of red peas. Also, I'm going to use 2 cups of coconut milk. I prep my coconut milk and keep it in the fridge. So over here I have my water boiling. We're going to add some salt. Going to add the cow skin. This is to scald it off before I make the soup. It's more easier to clean when you scald it off in hot water. Now I'm going to make it boil for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, I'm going to throw off the water and clean it. Okay, now it's 10 minutes since the cow skin on the stove. So you see now, it's easy to clean. I'm going to strain it off and clean it now. Okay, now I'm going to clean it. I have to cut out all of this stuff. As you could see, we're not eating this from the cow skin, okay? So all you have to do, just take your knife and pare it out like this. So we go through, cut out all of them here. Like this one is okay. Cut off all of this. We're not eating this. So if you go to the restaurant and you buy your soup and your cow skin don't look like this, it don't clean properly, okay? So that is the reason why I scald it before I cook it, cause it's easier to cut out these stuff from it. All of this is garbage. We're not eating this from the cow skin, okay? So over here I have my water boiling, and this is 10 cups of water. I'm going to add a teaspoon of salt, 3 cubes of garlic, 12 grains of pimentos. Going to add the cow skin. Going to cover. Going to wash the peas. Now I'm going to add the peas, cooking them together. Cover it back up. Now I'm going to clean up the chicken foot them. Just going to cut off the nails, just like this. If you're interested in these scissors, I will leave the link for it. I'm just gonna cut off all of them just like this. This is it. Okay, now I'm just going to chop them in two, just like that. So I'm just go wash them with lime. Now I'm gonna add the chicken foot. Now I'm going to cover it up and allow the peas them to cook before me add the rest of ingredients. Alright, my people. Okay. So now the peas them actually cook. See? I'm checking the cow skin. So the fat got through the cow skin, so it almost cooked too. Now I'm going to cover it. Now I'm going to peel all the provisions. So I cut out my carrots. Want to make sure you cut out this piece. Peel the cocoa like this. I'm just going to wash them before I'm gonna add them to the pot. Stir. I'm going to cover it up and make it come to a boil before me add the coconut milk and dumplings and the rest of seasoning. Now I'm going to add the coconut milk and to stir. Now I'm going to cover. Alright, now I'm going to make the dough for my dumplings. So this is 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/3 cup of refined cornmeal, a pinch of salt, now we're going to mix them here together, the salt, the flour and the cornmeal. Now I'm just going to add the water a little by little. And this is room temperature water. So we don't need no more water. Going to use the dough to clean the bowl. So here we have a perfect dough. Just going to wash off my hands. So after you roll the dough, you always want to make sure you wash off the excess flour that stick onto your hand before you knead the dumplings, okay? So I'm just going to pop off a small piece. Remember, I don't make big dumplings, okay? So just like this. Nothing bigger than these. I'm going to just continue to pinch off a small piece of the flour. And you roll it like this. This is my dumpling. So this is all my dumplings. This is 8 dumplings. Going to add them to the pot now. Now I'm going to add the soup flavored mix. Now I'm going to add the scallion, thyme, and the Scotch. So now I'm going to cover it and allow it to cook for 15 minutes. Okay, this is it. Now I'm going to serve a bowl. Got that. Some cow skin. So that cooked to perfection. So here you have it, red pea soup with cow skin and chicken foot. Got this, my people. Alright, my go for a taste. As usual, Jaja. So good. My people, thank you so much to watch my videos, to share my videos, to follow me in my cooking journey. It don't finish yet. Just subscribe and continue to follow me in my cooking journey. I have a lot to share with you all. Peace out.
Briscoe's Kitchen and Spice. Yeah, the food is nice. Like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Yeah, Briscoe's Kitchen and Spice.